Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll talk about how to use a condition to trigger a Salesforce action. So in this instance what we will do is we'll search a case, pull up the information, and let's say if the status is not closed and the priority changes to high, then we will trigger a Salesforce action to create, let's say, a task. So let's see our mapping here. So we have a get, simple get. Our get condition is case ID equals our lookup field. And let's just take a quick look at the lookup here. So our mapping is set. We didn't make any conditions to the Salesforce mapping, the Salesforce integration. We're just bringing up a case and we're returning the case ID and we're showing the case number. So let's see quickly how it looks like. So we're just searching all the cases. We're going to click a case and it's going to pull up the information. Now let's head over to the condition. So let's go to our status pick list, go to conditions, we'll set a condition, and we're going to say that the current field not equals to closed, and let's say our priority equals to high. We don't need to support the opposite. And let me just show you before we're gonna configure the result. Let's apply this. Save the form, head over to our push settings. So what you have to do in order to enable this, in order to enable the Salesforce action, you got to create a push and choose the use in custom button. And our action is create, and we're creating a task. And we just simply map some fields. We mapped the related to, so it will be related to our case. So we related it to our lookup field, find the case. So basically the what ID will get the case ID, and we created a custom subject. Obviously you can customize this as you like and create any object that you like. And the status we just did other, and we put not started. Again, this can be dynamic. We're just doing statically for this demo. And the priority, we're setting it to high. Let's cancel this, go back to our condition. And let's configure the result. So we want to trigger a Salesforce action. So we want to create a task every time this condition exists. So what we're going to do here, and we're going to show it to you in the next video about the conditions, we're going to return the record ID that was created to a hidden field that's called auto created task ID. We'll apply. You don't have to return it, it's just we're going to use it in the next video, so we're returning it now. I'm going to save the form. Let's refresh this. Find the case. Let's say this one. Status is closed. Let's find a different one. Close as well. So let's change this to new, and we're going to change the priority to high. And you can see that automatically Form Titan ran our Salesforce action. Let's head over to our integration logs. We can see that a task was created on this task, and we can see it's not started and the priority is high and it's related to our case. And this is how you use it.